Happy Simelane, aka Her Majesty, opened up to Gogoskuteni on her podcast yesterday about the scene that had most people talking, you guys. The scene where Her Majesty vomited in front of people on the first episode. Her Majesty says that that scene was not even supposed to have been shown or aired, as she said that she suffered from a medical condition which is called achalasia, and said that she got the condition after she later learned that she was poisoned, or utlisiwe in simple African terms, you guys. As a result, she has a problem with her esophagus. She has difficulties in swallowing food. Also, her saliva, you guys. She said that she finds it very difficult to swallow solid food, basically stating that she mostly eats liquid. Eating is a nightmare to her, as she most of the time vomits the food she had. She said that she would never eat in front of people or avoids eating in front of people because she might have to find herself throwing up and embarrassing herself because she cannot control the condition and herself. Gogos Kateni also broke down as happy Her Majesty detailed what she is going through because her son is also going through it. Her son has the same medical condition that Happy Simelane has, you guys. So let me not waste your time. Let me insert this video. Please do engage with me in the comments. Like, share, and please subscribe if you haven't yet done so.
So happy. After that, we saw you vomiting on set. Wafika lapho Miss Mops wathi, that was so ghetto. What happened? Why the vomit?
All right, I'm just laughing because I felt, that scene was not supposed to be aired, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, asikho lapho. The reason why I was vomiting is because I've got a chronic illness or chronic condition called achalasia. All right? Achalasia. I think it's similar to Ujuna, the esophagus. My esophagus has collapsed. And the reason why it has collapsed, I was poisoned. Let me just put it in a sintu ngadliswa. So medically, they cannot assist me. They told me, which they don't know what causes it. I mean, they cannot see it medically. They don't know what causes it and there's no cure for it. So each and every time I try to eat or drink, sometimes my esophagus iyavala. Then I have to vomit out the food. I did an operation in 2019 and that's the year I could have died because I literally almost lost my life. Literally almost lost my life. Yeah. I have this condition and yeah, I don't know. I just need God to heal me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just need God. Don't cry. I know it's very close to heart because Ujuna is going through a similar, Before I went for an operation in 2019, I was supposed to be, they fed me for about 2 weeks with tubes. They even opened here and fed me for 2 weeks because I was extremely weak to go under the knife. And when I came out of that operation, it was an 8-hour operation, my surgeon was actually signing forms that I didn't make it. Like they didn't believe mangvuka ukuthi I came out of it because they had given up on me. I was not waking up, but God saved me. And a few years later, I'm still around. So it's a very serious condition. It's nothing to be making jokes about or to laugh about. Yeah. I struggle every day. Eating for me is luxury. It's luxury. Eating is luxury. It's an extreme sport. I can't eat.
Yeah.
And that's a fact. I can't eat.
Yeah.
I can't eat pap. I can't eat burger. I can't eat pizza. Every day, 356 days. Every day. Okay. Literally. I must just be on liquids.
It's very emotional for me because it's what my son is going through. Yeah, Nage, he is born like
without
that.
It, yeah.
And he doesn't have it. So he has to eat solid food.
Liquid.
Yeah, not solid, liquids. Yeah. And, at times, the very same liquid, it has to come back.
Yeah, even my split. Sometimes I can't, like, it gets so bad where ngilala nge 2 liter empty. Ngihlanza amathi wami. I'll wake up in the morning, like there's no food at all. I'm just like vomiting my own splits. My own splits. It can't go out it, yeah.
And he doesn't have it, so he has to eat solid food.
Liquid.
Not solid, liquids. Yeah. And at times, the very same liquid, it has to come back.
Yeah, even my split. Sometimes I can't like, it gets so bad where ngilala nge 2 liter empty. Ngihlanza amathi wami. I'll wake up in the morning, igwebu, yabona amathi.